first order of the day. I just realized there might be something wrong with this order because it's a Starbucks, $12 going 5.5 miles. Yeah, it's either a tip bait or store's closed, maybe. Or it's just all base pay and no tip. Thank you. Ooh, it's a meet at door. Oh, I need a pin for this. Okay. Yeah, there's definitely something funky about this order because like the drop off is what, like 1 block away.
Yeah, I don't know who that is.
Hi. Do you know what?
No, it's my first day, sorry.
Oh, okay. There's an intercom over there. I don't know if you want.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Just press this thing?
Yeah. Oh, someone's coming out.
Sorry, I can't help you with that.
Did I call it or did I call it? A hefty chunk of that was base pay, but there still should be somewhat of a tip on it. I got stuck on the highway going the opposite direction of this next order. So it added, I want to say, an extra 3 or 4 miles, but it's Starbucks, $13 going like 10 miles now. I mean, it's still going to be a good order, but not as good as it could have been. Thank you. Please read. Oh, that is a whole novel, my guy. I think I'll guess, unless I'm actually confused when I get there. It is not this. I did not read the instructions like I should have. Whoops. Did you want it or just?
I'll just grab it.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you so
Yep.
much.
You have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. Next up, we have a Krispy Kreme order. This one is going 6.5 miles. I don't know if you could hear that, but apparently that order is not going to be ready for another 45 minutes. Like, what? Which donut specifically is going to take 45 minutes to make? That does not make any sense at all to me. I could just sit here for 45 minutes and milk the DoorDash timer. I'm actually not that mad about that order not being ready for me because I didn't really want to do it, to be honest. Given our past experiences with the creamers, they don't like to tip very well, so I'm okay with skipping out on that one. I just hope I get the next order right away. There we go. Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's $11 and change, going 6.5 miles. I think whoever lives there has a pet skunk or something. I got the next order right away. This one is the Human Bean, and it's going 7.5 miles.
Here's that for you, and the straw and everything else is in the back.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. No tip on that one, huh? Total ended up being $7, and we got the next order right away. This is Champ Pizza, going 9 miles. Thank you. Don't ask me why this person wants their food left out here. They just do. Total for that one was $8. Just got the next order. This is a seasonal bagel, $10, going 6 miles. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you. Next order just came in. This is a Subway, $7, going 4 miles. You said everything else was in here? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
pretzel, her honey mustard, her cookie.
Gotcha. Thank you. Next order just came in. This is Taco Bell, going 6.5 miles. Oh, and they just gave me an add-on. Looks like it's going to the same person. So they just ordered twice. This is going to be Black Rock Coffee going an additional mile. Might as well. Thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one.
Me too. Wowee. $1 tip. Total ended up being $12. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $16 going 7 miles, 7 items.
Don't have any ribeyes.
No?
The ribeyes didn't come in.
Okay.
So we have a couple of half pounders. Those are both 8-ounce steaks,
Okay.
which is about the normal for. So you might want to say that is 8 ounce, okay?
Okay.
On each,
Gotcha.
half a pound each,
All right.
and those are on sale. So there's the price.
Thank you.
You come back and ask me if you need it. Okay,
Sure.
I got it right in front of you.
Thank you. I just had a quick question. I don't know if you can help me. Do you have fruit cakes? Not at all?
Fruitcake is usually just during Christmas time.
Okay. Thank you. That took so much longer than it should have. Everything was like out of stock or whatever. She was just not replying quick enough. So annoying.
Oh, thank you.
You got it?
Got it.
You have a good day.
Like your hat.
Oh, thank you. Next order up, we're going to Krispy Kreme. This one is going 9 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Hello?
Hello, are you the DoorDash driver going to apartment?
I don't know the name of the apartments, but I've got Krispy Kreme if that's you.
Yes, there's an entrance right in there. You go in the entrance and you go straight in, and you will see a garage on the right hand side and the trash, I guess, place on the left. We're right across from there, past the garage. Thank you.
I would have handed it to her, but it did say knock and drop off, so I wasn't expecting her to be there. Total for that was $11. I don't know if that was worth it. I don't even know anymore. Next up, we got a Muchas Gracias. This is going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Good one, thank you.
Thank you. How did I know? How did I know? 0 tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Current time is 10:51. Current total, we are at 104. And I think I'm waiting on just 1 Uber tip. So that should bring it up to probably 110, 111. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.